Kurumjari, ISTV News Bank Tabir Punang Putara Moksri, Hosehan Badang Sing Muru Paulu Bisi. Isaw na Manipuri labu hectare lising ko tramatoi chatret, Pumbutra Hundoi, Mangan Kibana, Paugi Potok, Mamang Sahid Sad Taratlom, Handragani Haina, Agriculture Department Director Luis Ngasainong na Fundorli. Hojipok Sanurong Pijri. Sahi is a talk by sing is sauna, Manipuri labu hectare lising kutramato chatret, Homudra Hundoi, Mangan Kibana. Sahi Sigi, Fogi Poto, Mamang Sahid Sada, Taratlom, Handragani, Agriculture Department Director Luis Ngasainong, ISTV News, the Pondorli. Sanjan Hundu Leba, Director Office Chamber, the ISTV, Akanano, Unabada, Mana Makatana Pondoropada, Handak Segioina, Manipuri Po Tariba labu hectare lak lising more Pudra Mangagi Manunda, hectare lising kutramato chatret, Homudra Hundoi is in Sound Mangan Ki. Ising isaw na mangan kiba lofom ayamba nauna low panba yabagi matamdagi kahena tengtakibana nauna mention kiba singi mahi chararoi haina department lore sangsata low hectare amada pau metric ton ani phangmanga mi haina pabada hau kiba sahi singdagi sada tarataru 10 ani mapal gi sangda hantaraba yai haina panari masina maram oirga sahi khudingi oina pau sathok yamna puthokpagi atoi hen tanaba sahi sigi oina pangtholaro haina phondoroli.
The recent flood during June, July, a vast area of all the districts, around about 33 lakhs and 412 hectares of standing paddy crops were submerged. And the submersion was for such a long period that all the standing crops were damaged. And for replantation or retransplantation or removal of siltation and all took such a long time that it was out of season for transplantation of paddy fields, paddy crops. So the area that has been submerged, that has been flooded or that has been silted has left fallow. So this year there will be a substantial reduction of paddy yield of the state.
Mana Makatana, Lomi Singna, Husik Teneriba Awaba, Sideki, Kohanaba, Ningtam Lorokta Mateng, Krapanaba, Center da, Lupa Kor Magagi Mateng, Pibi Nava Hijakre, Hausamaki Oinadi, Sanpa Mamata, Kaitaraktabana, Tambangam de Henasu Fondoke.
The Department of Agriculture had prepared a contingency plan for compensation of the lost yield of paddy by way of giving alternative crop or the compensated crop to the farmer during Rabi 2015-16, and for which we had prepared a contingency plan amounting to rupees 5 crore, and that has been sent to the central government of India for sanctioning the amount so that we could implement our contingency plan. And Rabi seeds are being distributed to the farmers during this Rabi 2015-16, so that the loss that has been incurred during the flood season, the farmers can somehow at least come over their loss by cultivating Rabi pulses and Rabi oil seeds, etc.
Socialist Party Lusingba Oramba Irengbam Bijoina Lake Hitabada Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Memorial Trust Manipurna Awava Fondorali. How's the Pagmartana Temper Dominisi?
Adung Karigumba Awabasing Asi Mayunaba Toklaba Maroi Marang Yam Yauba Chunjak Java Mapala Dunya Java Liberda Akaiba Laklaba Netraga Libergi Mapangan Chontarak Batarabashu Karishu Waningai Latri Lifsaf Shira Fijinabu Adungi Awaba Punama Koknabigi Pambini Diabetic Naraba Anava Shinashu Sizinaba Yaraba Lifsaf Capsule Shu Pangbigani Lifsaf Sidaf Amadi Lifsaf Capsule Naraga Lain Babudi Narjinga de Saxil Hobana Henafay.
I'm ready.
Telero.
Editor ka late.
Some say hujik pudi perfectly straight ado kankhar kandadi freezy.
Relax. Perfectly straight. Aina semi anoba sunsil perfectly straight with straight lock technology maramdi. Some kankraba matung daso align straight oina laina bagidama.
Wow. Hujik su straight oirina.
Straight and gorgeous. Sunsilk perfect straight. Lock to you, rock to you.
Admission open for AIPMT 2015 and 16 at Ask Ayashin Imphal Center, Kazamdong near Ramlalpur High Secondary School, Imphal. Special features: live lectures by Ayashin's doctors, dart removal session after every class, comprehensive study materials developed by experts, 30+ days on latest AIPMT JEE pattern and detailed performance report.
Come join Ask Ayashin Imphal Center.
Manipuri ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahemba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ngasi mag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
Come on, come on. Yeah.
India की अहानबा नेशनल अवार्डी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने पीबा सिल्वर ड्यू मखल सुन लेजरे हाफ लीटर 750 ml 1 लीटर 2 लीटर 5 लीटर एंड 20 लीटर जार एज एन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर अमदी अकुपमरोल लोकताक इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट ताकियल द कांटेक्ट तोबियु
Ngasigi modern art of living the fazaba kuina chatpa comfortable oiba furniture na yungi leiteng oiduna mapung pahali ngasidi Manipur da ahan ba oina Imphal da Mobile Furniture Private Limited lakliba October gi tang 15 dagi hanglagani Mobile Furniture by Stupendous Interior.
Imphal East, West amadi Bisnupur District oina makhal khudingi apamba 2, 3 amasung 4 wheelers na chingbagi gari guarantor yaudana loan lawbiba yagani deposit toba numita apamba gari su phangbigani pambiba miyoi singna unabiu Imphal Finance Head Office Moirangkhom Loklaubung Branch Offices Pauna International Market amasung Bisnupur Bazaar Bisnupur
Iram da masigi ahan boy na thokjaba sangai plastic storage tank sizinnabi
yansinaba potlam yaudriba LLDB ina sajaba sangai de sizinnabi
lakliba ningon jakoba kumheiga mari leinana chada taret tagina tara phawba discount phambigani chahi tara gi guarantee ga loinana henaba makhal khudingi apamba machu sing phambigani
khudong chada si phambigaba mafamdi London supermarket leiba Lee Smart Industry thakadani
Suzuki gi gari macha makhal suna fangbiragani Thangmaiban DM College Road ta leiba mafam asida servicing center gi khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbiragani loinana irai laina loan lopagi khudong chaba su pijari ngasima klengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur
Break matung taram moksari Manipur State Cooperative Union na ngasi lampel da leba Center for Cooperative Union gi campus ta amot akai sing sengdokre tormadu da ICM gi chairpersons amadi union gi ECO Y Ningthemba su saruyaki Y Ningthemba na union na sig makhada board ki member amadi staff sing na luna na nabagi thabak asi paikhat pani makhata na sigumba khong thang asi satagani haiki
Pangthok chariba social service office gi akoi besi luna nana tham ba adwa ko ya chang ningthina bhajana asang na de yektana leinana bai damakta amasi gi pandam de ne ko ngasi social service union gi wen tawjari besi
Yum da latrine karam na sagne madi water supply scheme karam na mental togani haibi matang da nomiga awareness program mangarang awang khuno salam mamang laikai community hall pangthokre PAC division Imphal West na sinu pangthok tormadu da executive engineer L Brojendra na singwami kyana sarugaki hiram gi matang da Brojendra na wafum ka fonoke
asai yumbu de khangdabni na mystery sing kauraga sagabada involve tawre mystery sing kauraga taram mamon kamai sani mafam na krai de sagani ising pukri de kyam thaptokani aduna amna sing mafam na imung de kyam thapkani hable ching mafam do moin hayeng wapan mar kyam thapna saraga su yadamni na imung de kyam na kom na sana na ba adagi moi kam convenient oiba lamai to su karam mafam na sagani habdu department ga tanaraga abi development ga tanaraga sana na ba mission sin de khanguraga di mission sing na moi na sagadau ni na di adu du moi da training pi moi na tawjabni
Awang Kunogi Gram Panchat ki Gram Sabha Mifam Ngarang Salam Mamang Laka Pangtokre, Mifamaduda Awang Kuno Zila President Member M. Sanahan Bemadi, Pradhan T.H. Dizamini Susuraki. Dizamini Pongdo Kibada, how Kibamadi Lakata Seda Gram Panchat Asida Kari Tabak Togani having Matanga, Project Report Ma, Siam Naba Mifam Pangtopani Haki. Infaliski Basikong Torbanda, Ibudo Pakang Magi Papalni, Habasakta Mama, Kargi Bodi Mataka Tarambadigi, Miamna Ira Tongi Tokre, Saktamasi, RK, Bimol Singana Tenarpani. Numidanga, Makinupi Nabadigi, Basikong Dispensary da Lang Luraga, Torakpada, Mangal Gumbama, Uba Punky, Hainamana Funduki. Aduga ikan Kanadana, Mahaki Dispensary Campus Mong the Kam Tamlu Maki Kargi Body Matakta, Langtrick Langna Saktamadu Lermani, Kodakta, Maiba Maibi Kauduna, like Shon Tormatunda, Garidu, Mayum the Torki Heidi. Loisela Pudamuru Pau, Amukan Pizri. Isauna Manipuri Labu Hector, listen Kutrama to Chatred, Homudra Doi, Mangan Kibana, Hogi Poto, Mamang, Sahidigi, Sada Taratarulom, Hantarani Hana, Agriculture Department Director, Louis Nasaino. How's it going? I still need to go.